I would like to show you one more transformation that is going to help you out a lot, and which is group by. And how to do the group by? Well, if you would like to group by month some of the data, then you can apply it. But let's see, if I come over here in sales territory table and I would like just two columns, like my maybe the sales territory country versus sales territory group, and how to do that. Well, first of all, whenever you are trying to do some transformation on the data, I'll suggest you to just copy and paste the table. That means Control C, and you can do Control V. That is copy paste. That means you are duplicating the table. This is not reference. Reference would be impact by the first table. So if you would like to just take a reference, then you can simply click here and you say reference. But I did duplicate when you copy and paste the data. Now you can rename it if you would like to do that. But I'm just showing you over here how you can do group by. So I'll say group by my this sales territory. And for that, you can click here group by. And I say okay, over here group by this, and I want to see the count of the rows only. Do that and you would get this group by. You would like to do the advanced one, then you can simply click here again and go to the advanced one, and here you can add the grouping. That means more number of columns you would like to do. And here I say country, and then you would like to add the aggregation. That also you can do. You can say count, and then this is going to be group by another column. Try to play it out and you would get to know more about it. All right. So now I'm not going to use it, so I'm going to simply delete it. Last two operations which are very important and I would like to show you is the merge and append of the queries. For example, I have this internet sales table and I would like to merge this table with the sales territory table. That means I would like to apply certain join. Let's see if there is any common column between them. So here is the product key, but do I have the product key here? I don't have any product, but I have sales territory key, which I think should be there in the fact internet sales table. So let me see here we have the sales territory key. So we can apply the merge operation. For that, you have to come to this home tab and here select merge and merge as new. Always try to do this option. It's always a better one. So click here. And then it's going to ask you which is other table. That means what kind of join you are performing. Left outer join, you are performing right outer join, full join, etc. If you like to know more about these joins, then you should watch our SQL tutorial where you would learn everything about joins. So here I'm going to go here and I'm going to do with this sales territory table. And here I can select my keys. So what are going to be my keys? So I'll say sales territory key, same here, and then I'll apply it. What does that left join outer join means? Simply all the rows from this table and only the matching rows from this table is going to come. That is what left outer join is. And here you would get all the rows. So you can see that. Now, whenever you get this last column after merge, you won't automatically get all the columns from sales territory. Here you have to select which column you want. And I don't need the key columns. So why should I need that? But I need the other three columns. That's it. So now you can see that I have all the data in the one table. I have kind of flattened the table. I merged two tables. If you would like to append this again with the data from the sales territory table, you can do that too. Append means just adding the data. And here, not this option, sorry, you can simply click here and say append as new. So I'm again going to create a new from this one. And here you can select your second table. I'll say sales territory table and click OK. Once you would go down, basically there are lots of rows, but you would find some of the rows from the first table, which was our internet sales tables, are going to be null because I'm just appending the sales territory table. And if there is no matching column, it's not going to work. It's going to come blank over there. Try these options and try to play with these different options over here, and you would learn a lot of new things. I created this part specifically so that you would get to know how to apply these important options over here. Now, as I promised last time that I'm going to also create a parameter, which I'm going to show you how to work with it. So let's try that out. In our upcoming video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage parameters in the Power Query editor. So for that, stay tuned till our next video, and I'm going to see you in the next video.